What's up YouTube? It's your girl Lorionna, and in this video I am installing my 13x4 pineapple wave 24-inch frontal wig. It's getting real hot outside and I have been missing my curly hair, so I literally took off the 30-inch wig that I had on before just to put this one on because I just was craving curly hair. You guys should really check out my queen hair collection. It is all 180% density raw virgin Brazilian human hair, all cuticles aligned. The hair will last you 5 years, so I highly recommend. My lace is HD. It's already giving scalp, like, okay. I plan on not giving myself any edges. I want to just do a side part, no edges type of look, very natural. This wig and my 30-inch wig are my top favorite wigs that I have. It's always that one side that just give you a hard time. Like, this side really gave me a hard time, but you know, I pushed through it and the look came out flawless. Now I'm gonna wrap my lace and just let the band sit on for about, I always let it sit for, it just depends on how fast I want to do my hair, but I'll let it sit from 30 minutes to an hour. And look at the lace, it's melted, okay? That's why I let it sit for so long, because it matters, ladies, it matters. And I just like to make sure that the part looks perfect. So just want to show you guys, like, I'll be working on the part for a little minute for a reason. I really just like to make sure that my top is flat and everything is perfect and laid. So that's why I go over the top so many times with a hot comb. Plus, I do it so quickly because I don't want to burn the lace. So that's why it may seem like I've hot combed my hair a million times, but no, I haven't. It just be some quick little, you know, touches on the head. So now I'm just gonna clean the lace up a little bit in the little area where it was bothering me, because I mean it was getting a little crusty. So Okay, look at that. Like, period. No edges, just a little side part. Let me show y'all the back so y'all can see like the full look. Okay, it's giving, it's popping, period. This is the final look, so I'm gonna end my video here. Bye.